Hey everyone, let's talk about something super important today, Africa's e-waste dilemma. You might not think about it daily, but electronic waste is a growing problem that's impacting millions of lives on the continent. First off, Africa's seen a massive boom in the consumption of electronics. With a rapidly growing population and an expanding middle class, more people are buying smartphones, computers and TVs. But there's a catch: more gadgets mean more e-waste. And while Africa's per capita e-waste is lower than other regions, the overall volume is skyrocketing. Now, here's something you might not know. A huge chunk of Africa's e-waste isn't even homegrown. It's imported. Developed nations ship used electronic equipment to Africa, often near the end of its lifespan. Some of it's reusable, but a lot of it, not so much. And because regulations are weak, hazardous e-waste gets mislabeled as reusable goods, making it a ticking time bomb. So what happens to all this e-waste? Sadly, many African countries lack the infrastructure to manage it properly. Informal recycling practices like open burning and acid leaching are common. These methods release toxic substances into the air, soil and water, posing severe health risks to workers and communities. Let's get real about the health and environmental impacts. E-waste contains hazardous materials like lead, mercury and cadmium. Exposure to these can cause respiratory illnesses, neurological disorders and even cancer. Plus, when these toxins contaminate soil and water, they pose long-term threats to ecosystems and human health. According to the Global E-Waste Monitor 2024, African countries have the lowest rate of documented formal e-waste collection and recycling, less than 1%. That's alarming. So, what can we do? Solving this crisis requires a multifaceted approach. First, we need stronger regulations and enforcement to control hazardous e-waste imports. Next, investing in formal e-waste collection and recycling infrastructure is crucial. Promoting sustainable consumption and production practices can also make a big difference. We should raise awareness about the dangers of e-waste and the importance of responsible disposal. And let's not forget international cooperation. Sharing technology and knowledge can help African nations create sustainable solutions. In the end, tackling Africa's e-waste dilemma is not just an African issue, it's a global responsibility. By working together, we can turn the tide on this growing challenge and protect both our planet and the health of millions. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next one.